Hey guys, welcome back to our new lesson. Today we're gonna look at holidays and we'll be visiting some new places. So let's get started with our vocabulary. Museum. Museum. You can see dinosaur fossils at a museum. National Park. National Park. Wow, that national park looks so beautiful. Amusement park. Amusement park. You can go on rides at an amusement park. Zoo. Zoo. I can see the panda at the zoo. The beach. The beach. Wow, that beach is so clean. The movies. The movies. Let's go to the movies this evening. The movies. Aquarium. Aquarium. I can see sharks and fish at the aquarium. The farm. The farm. Look, there are sheep and chickens at the farm. Wow, that's so awesome. Now, let's go back and practice, okay? So, on a holiday, we can visit new places like a museum, museum, national park, national park, amusement park, amusement park, the zoo, the zoo, the beach, the beach, the movies, the movies, aquarium, aquarium, the farm, the farm. Okay guys, remember, you have to practice. And in part 2, we're gonna think about where we should go on a holiday. Okay, see you later.